Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, do subscribe and you can also follow us on Instagram. So today we're going to one of the most historic places in Vizag, which is Madhavadara. So in this place you will have the natural waterfall which has been coming from many years and nobody knows that from where this water is coming. So let's go inside and check out. And over here you have the Sri Krishna temple. So this is the picnic spot for many people. During summer holidays, the temple is always crowded. So people who stay in Vizag can take bus or you can come through your own cab. That is very beautiful. So this place is totally covered with beautiful greens and mountains. So most of them say that the water is coming from Simhachalam. So you have to come visit. So first let's go inside the temple and then we'll go to the waterfall. So this is a very old temple and you can see the structure of the temple. It is very old. So we couldn't film much inside the temple. So once the darshan is done, we are going outside to go near the waterfall. So towards the left is the stairs through which you can go to Simhachalam. So that is again one of the beautiful place where you'll have Narasimha Swami temple, and the temple is very famous. People who stay in Vizag know how beautiful the temple is, and through stairs it takes just 1 hour to reach Simhachalam. So this is the natural waterfall and nobody knows from where this water is coming. And many people tried searching from where this water is actually coming. Few were telling that this is coming from the mountains, but nobody knows exactly where the water is exactly coming from. So all these places are natural places that you have to visit at least once in your life. So now we are going upstairs. There are few more temples over here. So in Madhavadara, many people come in the night time so that they can lit diya in this place where the water is. So we have come in the morning, so nobody have come and lit diya. So in the evening, this place is so beautiful. So many people who come here make sure that they take bath in the waterfall because it is the natural waterfall. Krishna, what are you doing here? Take out your mask. Say. మాట్లాడరా అది అలా ఉండిపోయాడు. About the temple. Say about the temple. Where is the temple? Which god? Krishna. Very good. Krishna, where is that water coming from?
Coming from mountain.
Which mountain? Cheppu.
Simhachalam.
Simhachalam mountain. బాగా చెప్పావు. బాగా స్పాన్సర్ చేస్తారు వాళ్ళు. కృష్ణ, వేర్ ఆర్ యూ గోయింగ్? వేర్ ఆర్ యూ గోయింగ్? హూస్ హౌస్? Mani Nanamma's house. Why? Who came there? Who? Pinky Atta came?
Yeah.
So this is the stairs which I was saying you before. So from this stairs you can actually go to Simhachalam and it takes just 1 hour. So here as you can see, many people have come and they've put stones, which means when you build stones one by one, you will construct a new house very soon. So that is what I'm going and doing there. Krishna, come this side.
పదవసారాన్ని చెప్పారు. పెడతారు మనకి ఏడెక్కడ పెట్టగలం.
సౌండ్ పెట్టాలటే
7 కొండలు
మెడల మీద కాబట్టి 7 పెడతారు. ఇప్పుడు మనం
6.
6 ఇంకొక చిన్నది పెట్టు. బస్ దా. ఏయ్,
Come Krishna. Come this side.
సీతాకోచిలుకలే గుర్తున్నాయి.
So this was the very beautiful Madhavadara vlog. We'll meet you soon on the next vlog. Until then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.